Hi everyone, in this video I will briefly introduce the components of the OrbitalChamp welding enhancer. Let's start with the packaging. The OrbitalChamp comes in a shock-resistant, easy portable packaging. It has a handle for easy carrying and a door to take the device in and out. Let me pull out the storage drawer and start unpackaging it. The first and the most important component is the orbital welding head. The job of the orbital welding head is grip the pipe and move the welding head a circular path around the pipe. To control the orbital welding head, you can use the remote control. The remote control has 3 buttons, 3 LEDs and 1 toggle switch. If you are not use the remote control, you can attach it to the orbital welding head. For smaller pipe sizes, smaller inserts are used. The inserts easily connected to clamping arms on the orbital welding head. Another crucial part is the smart box. The smart box is the control electronics of the OrbitalChamp, which controls the orbital welding head and controls the TIG welder. You can program it with your Bluetooth on your phone, and you can control it with the OrbitalChamp remote control. We have some more important components, but to see them, I have to remove the drawer from the packaging. We have some cables. The motor cable is make a connection between the orbital welding head and the smart box. Another important cable is the working cable, which can provide the welding current to the orbital welding head. And we also have a 12V power supply to the smart box. That will be the main power to that. Okay, finally, we just have another task, another important task. We have to make a connection between the smart box and the OrbitalChamp system and the welding machine. We have to make physical and electric connection also. For the electric connection, we use a welding connector. This connector is connected to the welding machine, but the torch usually connected. It's very depending on the machine type. If you have a welding machine, you have to check your welding machine's type before you buy OrbitalChamp system. Another end of that connector or that cable has another connector which is always connected to the smart box. And finally, we have to make a physical connection between the smart box and the whole OrbitalChamp system and the welding machine to can be the whole system is easy portable. So we have a console in parts in the packaging, but you can make it fine with some screws which we can provide you. So if you build that console, you can make a physical connection between the whole system and the welding machine.